Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 12 Pro. Secondary speaker is not
Top
producing
speaker
sound
very
properly.
bad quality.
Let's get started. Disassembling the phone. Removing the motherboard. Place it to a layered heating system to disassemble the layered motherboard. After disassembly, place it to a motherboard holder. We will replace the small audio IC. Removing the IC. Cleaning the motherboard. Installing the new IC. Again, place the motherboard in a layered heating system to assemble the motherboard layers. Now assemble the phone. Turn on the phone. And that's it. We've successfully resolved the iPhone 12 Pro audio problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.